going to Universal Studios and we have no idea what we're doing. And thank goodness our friend Bob is going to walk us around some today.
Yes.
Because I haven't been to Universal Studios in like, I don't know, 18 years or more.
Yeah, the last time I went was in California, right?
Yeah, we haven't done any of the Harry Potter stuff.
I'm so excited about
we
the
have
Harry
our,
Potter stuff.
We have our own minion now.
I have my own minion. Look at Kitty.
I don't even know which park we're going in first.
I don't either, but we have our friend Bob that's going to help us out, which is great. And this is a good exercise for us, babe. This is like how most people feel when they go to Disney.
Yeah.
You know, they're like, oh my gosh, there's so much. Where do I start?
Wiggle. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we got Bob Dressner with us. Nothing can go wrong. Woo! Okay, so Men in Black Alien Attack was totally fun. We're learning at Universal you have to put your book bag in a locker. We carry a lot of drinks and stuff.
And umbrellas.
And umbrellas, because it's gonna really rain today. But that ride was a lot of fun, lots of spinning. Georgia, what did you think? Was that ride a little scary?
It was a little scary when the alien ate us to death.
Ate us and then burped, right? But now we're going to Harry Potter, to Diagon Alley. And we're gonna walk through the wall at platform 9 3/4. Isn't that what it is? I think.
Platform 9 3/4.
That's right. There's some people.
Hey, hello! What's up? What's your name over there?
Georgia.
Georgia, what's going on, Georgia?
What?
Sorry, Georgia, what house are you representing at Hogwarts?
Hufflepuff.
Hufflepuff! You know, Georgia, that's one of my favorite houses. Yeah, it's in my top 4.
He's funny. He's funny. It's hot! Isn't that cool? Ride review, how was that?
Unbelievable. That was incredible.
Was it scary?
No.
No, it
It was
wasn't?
this like great great combination of, like, at the beginning, you're like, oh, cool, it's gonna be like a 3D dark ride. Then there's a roller coaster moment where you're like, you don't expect it at all, but it's a great combo.
I kept looking around going, what am I on? Is this a movie or is this a ride? Okay, we're totally coming back and we're gonna get green eggs and ham. Thank you, Kelsey. We are so excited. Yeah, so the Dr. Seuss ride has that sky and high in the sky trolley?
High in the sky trolley.
It has 2 tracks, so if you come when they're busy, you can ride either side.
And there's 2 different stories, and they like narrate the whole thing with Dr. Seuss dialogue.
Yeah.
It is so cute. It exceeded my expectations. That was cute.
Yeah, I think it's really fun.
Great one for kids.
So Poseidon's Adventure here is where Bob worked, and it's temporarily closed, so he's working in Seuss Landing. So look for Bob. He's a superstar and he's the nicest. Was that the coolest ride ever?
I will never be the same. That ride is the best ride in the universe.
And I saw a baby unicorn.
You saw a baby unicorn?
It's got something for everyone.
You saw Hagrid and you saw the dog with 3 heads?
And I saw a scorpion.
You guys were in the front seat
I
though.
felt like I was driving a flying magical motorcycle.
How did they luck out and
To
get
the
the front?
max.
That's amazing.
I don't know, but like I was almost crying with joy, but in a different way than I did.
waiting for the chops? No.
No, we're just talking about how great the ride was.
That is everything. It's as good, if better, than any roller coaster.
So
And I got to be in the sidecar with Bob. It was so much fun. Wow.
I was just saying that I hope I don't lose my Disney card for this, but that ride is even better than Rise of the Resistance.
Yeah. Experts do it. Ooh, look at the topping. Wow, delicious. Thank you. We wanted to try one of each.
Oh, this looks
Look at the
Thank
froth.
you.
Thank you so much.
Which one should I try first?
Regular.
Regular. Bob says
Regular.
Ooh, it smells like a vanilla candle from Bed Bath & Beyond.
Ooh, nice milk mustache.
It tastes like a cream soda. The top is like got a salty sweet.
Okay, I want to try it.
Oh, you have a really good mustache as well. Look at Daddy's mustache, Jordan.
But look at this guy. Look at the skeleton.
Oh, the top is the caramel.
Yeah, that's where it's like salty.
So they squirted caramel foam on top.
Guys, look at this.
I mean, that's got to be like 400 calories. It's so good.
He poked out his eyeball and it came out of his mouth.
Oh, gross.
And it came in that thing.
Georgia, you ready to try it? Take off one there. There you go. Okay, here goes Georgia. Your little milk mustache there.
It's really sweet.
What do you think?
It's good, but very sweet.
Very sweet.
Yeah, you don't need to.
See if you can get it on your lip. You have a little mustache. Let's see. Oh yeah. That's an official Addie Potter mustache.
And then she says the eye comes up.
Yeah, like
Okay, Mommy, how about the frozen?
Frozen is better. Yeah.
Frozen totally wins.
Yeah.
Look, you guys gonna get poked out. Look at the crow.
Oh, his eye fell out.
Yeah, this one I don't know why is like 1,000 times better. I think.
I like your mask beard, Mom. That's really cool. There you go.
Mama, can I?
This one's better.
Okay, what do you think of the frozen?
Ooh, I've got a brain freeze though. And the top. Oh.
Just diva.
I can't get
Well, you can just drink it on the top, I guess, without the straw.
She wants to spoon it. That's like the caramelly top.
You like this one better. Georgia prefers
I'm gonna try the
the
Fro-Fro.
unfrozen. I like the frozen one.
It's not a bubble.
oh yeah. Frozen wins.
Georgia disagrees. The top's better on the frozen one too.
Wow. So it's butterscotch,
You know what
caramel,
I think? You know what I think
and
it tastes like?
vanilla cream.
I think it tastes like a melted candy corn slushie.
thank you so much for watching our show. If you really like it and you want more episodes, just click the subscribe button.
You like our vibe? You
You
should subscribe.
Just click the button and then we'll give you more episodes and you'll be like, bing!
You'll know right away. You'll be the first to know.
You'll be like, they have Disney magic for you. Shing!
You don't have to hear from like a friend that, ooh, did you know that the Broadway Bradshaws just put out episode 7? You'll know all.
Or episode 47. It's coming. I hope.
What do you think
Cross your
episode
fingers.
47 is going to be?
Ooh.
Magic Kingdom.
In space.
Whoa!